Most people think journaling is just writing down what you ate for lunch, but it is actually one of the fastest ways to stop overthinking. When you get thoughts out of your head and onto paper, you signal to your brain that it is safe to relax. You don't need to be a writer to do this. You just need a pen. Here are 3 simple questions to help you find some peace today. First, we need to clear out the noise. Think of this like cleaning a messy room. We call this the brain dump. What is stressing me out right now, and can I actually control it? Instruction. Draw a line down the middle of your page. On the left side, list everything worrying you. On the right side, write yes if you can fix it, or no if you can't. If the answer is no, give yourself permission to stop carrying that heavy weight for today. Your first prompt is, what is stressing me out right now, and can I actually control it? Now, draw a line down the middle of your page. On the left side, list everything worrying you. On the right side, write yes if you can fix it, or no if you can't. If the answer is no, give yourself permission to stop carrying that heavy weight for today. Now that we've cleared some space, let's fill it with something good. We spend so much time worrying about what could go wrong. Let's spend 2 minutes thinking about what could go right. If everything went right for the next 6 months, what would my average Tuesday look like? Don't write about winning the lottery. Keep it real. How would you wake up? How would you feel walking into work? Who are you spending time with? Your brain believes what you tell it, so tell it a good story. Finally, let's train your brain to spot the good things. Your brain works like a camera lens. It only sees what it focuses on. If you look for problems, you will find them. Let's look for joy instead. Here is the third prompt. What are 3 small things from yesterday that made me smile? Maybe it was a really good cup of coffee. Maybe the sun was shining. Maybe you heard a song you love. Train yourself to notice the small wins. These pages are for you. There is no right or wrong way to write, just your way. I hope this helps you feel a little lighter. I want to hear one good thing from your list. Leave a comment below with one small thing that made you smile yesterday. Let's fill the comments with positivity. Subscribe to the Serenity Space for your weekly reset.